Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit create a self-relationship with the position object. So let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground. Once we have done that, let's go to Object Manager and find our custom object position. Let's create a new relationship over here. So let's go to New and choose Lookup Relationship and click on Next. So here the new relationship is related to the same object, which is position in our case. So once you've selected position, let's go to Next and let's copy our field label and field name, basically both of them. Once you've done that, let's click on Next. And let's change the related list label once again to related positions. Let me add a quick S over here and let's go ahead and save it. So once we've saved our new relationship, so let's jump into the relationship which we have created, which is a related position. So here we'll be creating some lookup filters. So essentially what lookup filters do is you can see that in the demo once we have created the lookup filters. So let's first create them. So okay, that is the second part. Anyways, so the first part is to select a related position and department. So let's select a related position and a department. Let's find it. And click on insert. Here the operator is equals and let's select field. So inside the field, let's select current record position and then department and department. Yes. And let's add the second part of lookup filter, which is let's find record ID inside position. Yeah, we found it. And here the operator is not equal to. And let's select field again in value field option. So inside the field over here, let's jump into related position. So it's better if you can type it, related position, and then select record ID over here. All right, that's perfect. And as for step number 5, let's make sure our required checkbox is selected, which is by default. Let's change the error message by copying and pasting it. Okay, we have created our lookup filters by adding 2 conditions, and let's save it. So the next step over here is to jump into recruiting from our app drawer. Let's click on positions and create a new position over here. Let's copy paste the title and the department is sales. Position is approved and the location is US. Let's copy paste the description as well. So here the lookup filters we have created is in action. So when you click on search positions, we can see the related field, which is our super sales rep. So essentially the lookup filters which we have created with 2 conditions is used in showing us a related position over here. So I hope this makes sense. Let's check if you have done our challenge right. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.